Hello, my dear students and viewers. Welcome back to my channel, Scorpio Class. In this video, we are going to discuss model answers of the model question paper 1 for the year 25-26 of the subject mathematics. Yes, this video is for my class 10 students as this is going to help you all in preparing your exams and give you the key model of the question paper, like how to write the answers and what are the expected points and steps and what are the allocated marks. So let's quickly go through the entire model answer paper. I'll be scrolling it quickly so that you have a glance. The main purpose is to help you all with the answer key so that you get a clear idea of the right answers and the steps and the marks allocation which is done during the correction. So let's start. We have first main over here, multiple choice question. The HCF of 3 and 5 is answer 1. Okay, option A, 1. So I'll quickly share the answers with you all wherever necessary. You can pause it or you can take the screenshot of the video and you can have a glance of it. So this is the second question and answer is option C, answer 4. Option C, 4 is the right answer and it is for 1 mark. Next you have third question and the 4 options for it and the right answer is option A. Next, the arithmetic progression in the following is, answer is option D. Fifth question, in the frequency distribution table, okay, the question and the options are given and the right answer is option C. For question 6, it is option D, 30 degree, that is the answer. Next, for the 7th one, option B is the answer. And for question 8, option B again is the right answer. So this completes your first one, multiple choice question. We'll continue with the answer the following question. Now we'll see 1 mark questions. Question number 9. You can see the question is given here and the answer is also given just below it. And here you can see the marks allocation. So you can pause the video if you want it for later, longer time, and then you can take the screenshot as well. So 10th question and its answer. Each step-by-step solution is given so that you can have a clear idea. You can practice it in your rough and you can prepare for your exam. Then question 11, 12, then question number 13. All these are for 1 mark. You can see the steps, how it is done, and that is how you can practice for yourself. Then 14th question, again, it is in a figure and then you have answer below it. Question 15, followed by question 16 and its answer. So now question 17 starts for the third main and it is 2 mark questions from here. So you will see some optional questions as well. So here you can see there are 2 questions. Option is given. Anyone can be attempted for question 17. So let us see both the answers. So question 1, it is answer is given here. Then second question, optional question, how many numbers between 201 and 401 are divisible by 6? Its answer is given here. So this is how the answer key is given. Marks allocation, 2 marks. Okay. Your stepwise marks is also given. It's segregated. So it becomes easy for you all to understand how you get marks on each step, right? Then going to question 18. Linear equation question, answer is given here. Then you have to substitute the value of x. Then comes question 19. Question 19 is again optional question. You can see 2 questions over here. So answer for the first one and answer for the second one. Okay. Next question 20. You can see half mark for each step. It's given how you get marks. Allocation is given over here. So complete detailed answer key is given, so that you get a very correct idea that how you actually have to write your board exams. And these are model question papers, so most of the questions may be repeated from this paper, so you can solve this and thoroughly revise these questions. So question 21. Question 22. Then 23. Step-by-step solution is given along with the marks allocation. Then 24. HCF and LCM question is given here along with its answer. Then we move on to 25th question. Here you can pause again. I'm repeating it, or if you can take a screenshot as well. Question 26. All these are geometry questions where you need to prove the given statement or the given sum or the formula, whatever is given. Theorem. You have to use theorem and you have to solve it. Okay, then we move on to question 27, which is again optional question. You can see two questions. So answer for the first one is given here. It is like a word problem. And then answer for the second question is given here. Or after or is the second answer. So all these are 3-mark questions now. Now question 28, you have to again prove that. Again, you have two questions of here, one, and this one is second question. So the answer starts right from here. And the second answer starts from here. Then question 29 again is optional. You have two questions over here. And both of its answer is also given here. So this is your first answer and this is your second optional question's answer. Coming to question 30. Again, you have to prove and show that AB square is equals to BC into BD. Okay. So in the step-by-step proof is given here. You can solve in a similar way. Then question 31. Then 32. 33rd question, again you have two questions here. Find the mean, find the mode. Both of its answers are given here. First one for mean and the second is for mode. Okay. Then comes your 4-mark questions from here. 34th question. So solve the given pair of linear equations. So you have to solve this. And then you have to mark it in the graph. Okay. So even the graph is given over here. So marks allocation is mentioned over here. You can have a look and then practice accordingly. Moving to next question, 35th, you have again option questions here. And the answer is also shared over here. So from here, it's your second answer, second solution for the second question. Wherever it needed, again, you can pause the video and you can solve the sums. Next, 36th question, arithmetic progression question, and then the answer is given here. 37th question. You have option in it and you have a second question given over here. So now answer for both of the questions. Second answer starts from here. And the 38th question is here with option. Second question. And the answer is given here. Again, pause the video, look for the answers or the sums which you want and practice it. So this was your last answer, last question of your maths paper. So I have shared all the answers of the each of the questions along with the marks allocation. I hope this video is going to help you a lot in preparing your exams. Wherever needed, you can pause the video and check for the steps and the marks allocation, and that is how you can practice. And because this is model question paper again, the most of the questions can be repeated. So that's it. If you like the video, if it has helped you, do hit the like button, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel, do comment in the comment section what are the other videos you would like to see from our side, and join my WhatsApp channel. The link is shared in the description box, and we'll be back soon with more such videos. Till then, stay safe and take care. Thank you.